Hello guys, it is your girl Prissy and welcome back for another video. Today is all about Big Red, y'all. Look how cute my hair is. You guys know I love to break things down and explain it to you, especially a lot of you are new to the natural hair community. So all of my knowledge and the things that work for me, I want to try to pass that stuff on in case it works for you. One question that I always get is, how do you maintain these curls? Like, how do you have your curls the next day or the day after that? The day after that. All right guys, so I'm in the bathroom getting ready for bed. So I went and purchased a new turban. This is what I use to keep my curls intact. It is just a simple turban you can get from the beauty supply store. You can also order one on Amazon. Everything that I used in today's video will be linked in the description box below. Grab my turban. Very simple. This is what the front looks like, and then I push my hair back just a little bit because these curls will get flattened, so I kind of like tuck them off my face like that. I don't use pins or anything to hold it because I don't want that pin impression, or I don't want to be uncomfortable. Like, this is so comfortable. And like I said, I just like to make sure those curls aren't going to be laying like that because these are going to be flat. So I like to push them back. Tuck them back, and then I do the same thing to the other side. Since I have this part, I just want to make sure all of this hair is laying down and not like sticking up, because it'll be sticking up tomorrow if it is. And then I grab my bonnet. I'm sure we all have one of these. And then I just put that over my turban, and it's bedtime. Lights out. I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all, it is the next day, and like I said, I only wear my bonnet and my turban to bed. So let's see what the hair is looking like. Turban is still intact. It did come up just a little bit in the back, but that is fine. It's gonna look smushed, okay? Don't be scared. It's gonna be smushed. And so the first thing that I do, I don't put any styling tools or anything in it. I use my hands, but I add a little bit of oil to my hands. So I take the same oil that I used in the tutorial, just add a little bit to my hands, rub them together, concentrating mainly like on my fingers. And then I'm just gonna go in and like, I don't know, what is this called? Like, I just use my finger to like go in between the curls and separate. Just like that. See how it's already like lifting back up? Like, it's already getting revived, and I haven't even used any type of styling tools except my fingers. Your fingers are like one of your best styling tools. So just go in between the curls and just lift them back up. Just bring them back to life, I guess that's what you could say. Like, that's looking good already. The next day, I really don't have to do much to my hair. It's like on days 3, 4, 5, and so forth, where you really have to use the pick and kind of, you know, manipulate pieces and stuff like that. Now today, I do feel like these pieces right here, see that piece? See how it's sticking up? Like the curl is gone from the end. So what I like to do is take a little bit of whatever styling product that I use, add a little bit to my fingertips, and just go on the end of this curl and curl it back. Like, I don't go all the way down to the base or anything like that. I just go right there where it needs a little bit of assistance, and I curl that back. You can also, if needed, use your pick and your rat tooth comb. I'm gonna go in with the rat tooth comb first because I don't feel like I need a pick, maybe right here. I could use a pick, but everywhere else, I think I'll just go in with the rat tooth comb and just, you know, make sure the parts aren't showing in my hair, like where the bonnet was on. And just bring this back together, just like this. So really easy, really simple. I don't do much to my hair at all. That is what I love about, you know, having my hair, especially like a short natural hair. I don't have to do it often. But yeah, so if I pick it out, I just do a little, just a little light picking. And it's mainly like at the top, because I want that to stand up a little more. Like in that middle, like right smack in the middle of your head is where I'm doing most of the lifting. And like I said, I would normally go in with something to curl that one back. But that's about it. That's pretty much all I have to do today. I may do a little bit of edge control right here. Probably won't. But yeah, this is next day hairs. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel down below and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.